Hey Pioneers!
Welcome back to WeAreTWU YouTube channel. I'm Sophia.
I'm Sydney, and today we're going to show you our dorm room.
And show you what it's like to live on campus.
Let's jump right in. I yell at her for making me study.
Yeah. She takes a lot of naps. So I'm just the waker-upper. I kind of feel bad about that, but
Yeah,
I think we just help each other out in a lot of ways, but sometimes it gets on each other's nerves because we know they're right, but we don't want them to be.
For sure.
Yeah.
I don't really ever yell at Sophia. I just tell her to stop waking me up. Ugh, nothing. Just kidding. My favorite thing about Sophia is honestly just like her responsibility and motivation. I don't know. Whenever she does her schoolwork, it like makes me like want to thrive and like do better. Just like as she's doing better. I don't know. I just like love her personality. It's very outgoing, like myself. So
That's so sweet.
it's just for the. I'm just kidding.
Rob's favorite thing about Sydney is that she's the most spontaneous person I've ever met. Like, she'll just like pick up and want to do something. She comes up with the wackiest ideas. And I before definitely was not the type of person to be spontaneous. Like, I love planning and I love like being able to like know what we're doing. And we'll just be hanging out one night and she'll just like want to go for like a grocery run or like just like random things. One time we literally went to the casino, like we don't even gamble, we just went because she had nothing better to do. So I really like her spontaneity. Yeah.
She's a morning person.
She's a never person. We're pretty similar in like things that we like to do, I feel like.
Yeah.
But
If she doesn't like to do it, I make her do it anyways.
it gets me out of my comfort zone.
Yeah. Communication. You have to have communication. If you notice that somebody's, like your roommate is quiet and like they're never that way, just like ask them like, hey, is something wrong? Did I do something? Is there something you want to talk about? Like you can't build up the frustration with each other because it's just not going to work out in the end. And like I want to be able to still be friends with Sophia after my first year of college. Like it's not a friendship like it's willing to let go of. But like not all people are the same, but definitely you have to have communication.
I really like the small campus. I don't know. TWU's like, it feels homey because like it's not a whole bunch of different people that I'm seeing every day. Like I recognize faces just walking to classes or something, but it's still, I don't know. They told us like at orientation that it's like a private school vibe for not a private school cost, and I think that's the perfect way to put it. It just feels really like secluded, even though there's like UNT right down the road if you like want to meet other people at another school. I don't know. It's a really cool opportunity.
Cozy.
Yeah, cozy. I like that. We like a lot of warm lighting. Like we made sure to never get bulbs that have like the harsh white lighting.
No.
We got all warm lighting. Our goal is just to make it like our little safe haven. So definitely cozy.
Because like school can be stressful, but like walking through these doors, I just like want to be able to relax and like do my work or watch Netflix. Just like take a nap. Eat some mac and cheese. We got a Google Doc.
We had a Google Doc where we filled out everything that we were getting.
The links to where they were from, the
prices,
color, the price.
And we also had a shared Pinterest board so that we could like add ideas to it that we both liked, and that's what we used as like reference.
Yep.
So we did a lot of planning for this. Like,
We did. We started planning as soon as we graduated.
Before.
Yeah, that too. Thanks for watching, guys.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram. They'll be dropped below.
Yup.
And we will see you around campus.